Have you ever started a conversation with, "How are you?" and it just died after 2 seconds?
Every time. It's like, I'm fine. Cool. Awkward silence.
Well, you're not alone. Most people struggle with small talk, but today we'll fix that.
So, we're learning how to go beyond, how are you, right?
Exactly. Welcome to Speak Up English, Learn from Zero. In this lesson, we'll discover how to start real conversations, keep them flowing, and connect naturally.
Great. Let's make small talk not small anymore.
Scene 1. The silent killer of conversation. Hey, John, how are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine too.
So, yeah.
See, that's exactly what we're talking about today. The silent killer of conversations.
You mean, how are you?
Exactly. It's such a common opener, but it often goes nowhere.
Yeah, I always say, fine, thanks, even when I'm not fine.
Most people do. Society teaches us to respond, not to connect.
Wow, that's true. So, small talk isn't small at all.
Nope. Small talk is foundational. It's how big relationships begin. Friends, jobs, even love sometimes.
So, if I master small talk, I master life?
Pretty much. Okay, John, let's talk about opening lines. What's the most common topic people start with?
The weather. Always the weather.
It's hot today. Yeah. End of conversation.
Exactly. So boring.
That's why you need to go beyond the weather. Try to observe and comment. For example, that's a cool laptop case. Where'd you get it?
Oh, so I should notice something about the person or place.
Right. That's called a situational opener. You can also use the environment, like, wow, this coffee shop is buzzing today.
Or the music here is great. Do you know the band?
Perfect. And here's my favorite trick. Use open-ended questions. Instead of, do you like coffee? Say, what's your favorite coffee here?
Oh, because the answer can't be just yes or no.
Exactly. That's how you move from awkward silence to real talk. Scene 3. Keeping the ball rolling, nurturing natural dialogue.
Okay, but once I start the conversation, how do I keep it going?
Great question. There's a simple trick called the A.R.M technique.
A.R.M? Like arm?
Yes, easy to remember. It means A, acknowledge, R, relate, M, move on.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Let's say someone says, I love hiking. You can reply, oh, really? I love hiking too. I usually go hiking on weekends. Do you have a favorite trail?
That sounds so natural.
It works for any topic.
So, acknowledge, relate, move on. Got it.
Exactly. Also, try to turn statements into questions.
Like if they say, I just got a new job, I can say, wow, that's great. What kind of job?
Perfect. And remember, be curious. Don't listen just to reply, listen to understand.
That's deep. So, small talk isn't about talking, it's about listening.
You're catching on fast. Scene 4. Navigating tricky waters. Small talk in different contexts. Okay, now let's talk about different situations.
Oh boy, the scary part.
Don't worry. Let's start with professional settings, like networking events.
I never know what to say there. Everyone looks so serious.
True. Start with something light but relevant. For example, I really enjoyed the speaker's talk. What did you think?
Nice. It sounds professional, but not stiff.
Exactly. Now, at social gatherings, like parties, you can be more casual. Try, hey, how do you know the host? Or, that's a great playlist. Are you into this kind of music?
Oh, so context matters.
Yes. And in unexpected encounters, like on a bus or in a waiting room, it's best to comment on the shared experience. For example, "This line is taking forever, huh?"
That one always works.
Just keep your tone friendly and open.
I see. Small talk is like adjusting your outfit. Different styles for different occasions.
Exactly. You're becoming a communication pro, John. Scene 5. Your small talk toolkit. Practice makes perfect. Now, let's put it all together. How can you practice small talk every day?
Maybe by talking to strangers?
Yes, safely, of course. You can also role play with a friend. Pretend you're at a cafe, a store, or a job fair.
Like we're doing now.
Exactly. And remember, mistakes are okay. Every awkward moment is a lesson.
I guess I'll stop worrying about being perfect.
That's the spirit. Finally, use resources, books, apps, or even this channel.
Like SpeakUp English.
You said it. Practice with us, speak up every day, and soon you'll go far beyond "how are you?" Closing.
You know what, Anna? I think I finally get it. Small talk isn't about talking. It's about connecting.
Exactly, John. And the best way to connect is to be curious, kind, and real.
Thanks, Anna. This was awesome.
My pleasure. So everyone watching, go out there, start a conversation, and remember, speak up every day.